All right, welcome everyone to my install and setup video for Saty ATR levels and Saty pivot ribbon on TradingView. Before we begin the presentation, I just want to let you know that this presentation is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. So any trades you might take using my indicators or education are your trades and your trades alone. Let's jump right in. So I'm going to show you how to install them. It's pretty straightforward. There's two ways to install them. You can go directly through TradingView and you can search for Saty ATR levels and it should come up in community scripts. You can just click on them there and then that should add them to your favorites. Clicking on them here will actually add them to the chart as well. So that is the most straightforward way to do it. I'm actually going to remove them again and show you another way. So you can go to my website, satyland.com, and you can click on Get Saty ATR Levels, Get for TradingView, and that will take you to the landing page directly. From here, you can scroll down, add to favorites. That says remove from favorites because I already have it, but it should say add to favorite indicators. And you can click on that and then that will add it. Then you can go back to the website, go to the pivot ribbon, TradingView. That'll take you to the pivot ribbon landing page. Same deal, add it. Close these guys out. You don't need those anymore. Back to TradingView. And then you can go into indicators and they will be in your favorites. And so you can add those to your chart just by clicking on them. Cool. All right, so now that you've got them on the chart, you want to right click over here on the price bar. And you'll see that auto fits data to screen is checked. You can uncheck that. And make sure scale price chart only is checked and then click reset price scale. And then that should adjust it. So if you had, something that looks super compressed and you unchecked auto, you checked on scale price chart only, and then click reset, it would sort of get it into a much more viewable form. And if you mess with it and you start moving things around and you sort of get things all funky, you can just reset price scale and it'll bring you back to kind of where you were before. So super nice. Obviously zooming in and zooming out, it will adjust the candle sizes and everything. But yeah, so that's my basic setup. And then of course you can add other indicators that you want to use. I hope that's helpful. And I hope you're able to get it handled pretty easily. Thanks.